What's up everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video of mine. Today I'm going to be talking about the 4 specific ways that I utilize my target language every day without speaking to natives. So if you're interested, keep watching. The first one is going to be obvious, common I should say. Every day I get listening practice in by watching videos I would watch normally in my language, my native language, but I search for them in my target languages. So for example, I would look up guitar tutorials in Korean or in German or in Japanese or in Spanish, mainly Spanish and Korean because those are my highest level languages. So here I am showing you an example of what I'm doing, and as you can see by the titles and the thumbnails that it's for Korean. Recently I have been rewatching What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. I watched the first season with subs and I'm going through the season again without subs, so we'll see how much I can understand.
Buenas noches. Le felicito por su nuevo puesto.
Me han hablado mucho de usted, vicepresidente Lee. Un placer.
Un placer. The bio business has recently been approved by the US FDA. Tuvimos éxito convirtiendo el accident free.
Okay, so the second thing that I do is I translate everything, a lot of things in and out of my target language. So for example, like here, I took a Spanish paragraph from my Spanish tutor book and I translated it completely into English on my own, but as you can see for the underlined words, those are new for me. Then another example is songs. Like I will translate songs from English to Korean or from Korean to English. Here is the name of that song that I translated in case you want to search it up just for fun. And then here is the lyrics. Okay, so for the third one, I speak out loud, think out loud in my target language. 기타를 칠 수 있어요. 여러분, 비가 올 것 같은데 왜 아직도 여기 너무 더워요? 더운 날씨가 싫어요. We about to set this love on fire. 이러는 꿈처럼야 엄마도 못 말겠어. Wanna be a good one. Just for you, since I'm in trouble. Just for you, shampoo backwards. Just for you, not a number. Who are you? Hey, 나도 내가 누구인지 지금은 모르겠고. 도움을 줘. Okay, so anyway, the last thing that I do is at work, I have work notes that I take and I will write them all in my target language. I do not write any of my notes in English. And if I do, it is very minimal, or it will be like the numbers, like maybe I don't have enough time to write down the numbers in my target language, so I'll just write them in Roman numerals. But other than that, I like to write my notes in my target languages. Most of them are going to be in Korean, Spanish, or German, as you can see, but mostly Korean. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that this will inspire you to try these out on your own. Thank you for watching.